Today I'm going to share with you a really quick money hack that can help you make a better decision when you're about to make a big purchase. So whether it's a car or a house or a camper, whatever it is, if it's going to have reoccurring payments before you make that purchase, do this. Are you ready? I know that was a lot of anticipation. I want you to get your pay stubs and I want you to look at your net pay. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna look at your net pay. So I want you to add up in a month what your net is. And you may be like, this is weird. It's not. I'm gonna tell you why. So let's use housing as an example. So with mortgages, when I'm qualifying someone for a mortgage, we're going off of their gross income. So that's before medical insurance, that's before taxes, that's before 401k, that's before state income tax if you have it, that's before SSDI, that's before every single nickel that gets taken out of your paycheck. So I may be looking at the numbers saying, oh hey, you can totally afford this $3,500 payment because I'm looking at this big, beautiful number, right? But that's not reality. The reality is your net pay. These guidelines that lenders have, whether it's for a car or a house, they're based on like nationwide, but how much you actually get with your pay at the end of the day varies dramatically based on the state you live in. So if you want to make sure you don't end up in a position where you're house poor and you don't want to take the time to do a budget, which of course is what the number one thing you should always do is a budget, but you're like, can I just have a hack? The hack is look at your net pay, because I can tell you right now, like, have I seen it where someone's net pay is lower than what the mortgage lender's proposing? Yeah, I have. And that's the thing, is whether it's a mortgage or a car, you hear them saying you can afford it, but what you don't understand is they're not really looking at all of your expenses, and they're not looking at what you net. Even though you're sending pay stubs, they don't go off of net, they go off of gross. So it's a quick hack, but something you should definitely do. You know, the car thing, I can't stress it enough. There's so often where I'll see that someone's car payment's taking up half of their income, and that's the last thing you want to do. So I hope this hack was helpful. Let me know what you found when you saw your net pay. Did you cry? I generally do. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.